Hello students, this is Ashish Vegadwa from Electrical Department. Today we will learn electrical heating in the subject utilization of electrical energy. Let's move to the content of this topic. In this topic we will learn what is the electrical heating, what are the domestic as well as industrial application of heating, then we will learn advantages and disadvantages of electrical heating or other heating, as well as we will learn what are the various methods of electrical heating, and last we will learn various methods to transfer the heat. Let's start with the exact meaning of electrical heating. So, electrical heating is any process which electrical energy is converted to the heat energy. It means if we supply the electrical energy to particular element, then it will convert heat energy. So, electrical heating works on the principle of Joule heating. It is an electrical current will pass through the resistor, then it will convert into electrical energy into the heat energy. Because if you pass current through the resistor, then losses will occur, that is I square R. So due to this losses, heat energy will generate. It is based on Joule's law. Electrical heating is based on the principle of when electrical current will passes through the medium, then heat will produced. Suppose we have one solid material which is resistance, that is R, and if you pass the current through this resistance, that is I ampere for t times second, then it will produce heat. Heat is proportional to the H is equal to I square R into T, and unit of the heat, that is joules. Let's say various domestic application of electrical heating. It is used in room heater for heating the building. It is also used as a immersion heater for water heating, hot plates for cooking, geysers, electrical kettles, electrical iron, and electrical toaster, etc. Let's see various industrial application of heating. The first one is it is used to melting the metal. It may be steel, iron, or any else. It is used in electrical welding, molding of glass for making various glass appliances, baking of the insulator, molding of plastic components, heat treatment of pointed surfaces, making of plywood. Let's see what are the advantages of electrical heating or other heating method. The first one is it is a clean and atmosphere will remain free from dirt and flue gases, whereas in other heating maybe atmosphere will become dirty as well as it will generate flue gases. Second one is electrical heating will not generate any pollution and it will not generate any flue gases. So we not require any chimney or storage or air handling plant, etc. Third is response of the electrical heating is very quick compared to other heating. It means using electrical heating we can quickly start the any equipment as well as turn off the equipment. Next is accurate control temperature can made easily because using various automatic regulator you can control the temperature of the heating element which you have connected for given any equipment. Next is comparatively it is safe, whereas other heating method like coal and gas based heating are remain unsafe. It is used in localized application like heater, iron, etc. Overall efficiency is much higher compared to other heating method. It gives uniform heating. It means suppose you have to heat any object, then each particles of the object will heat equally, whereas in other heating method will have more heat compared to middle particle. So in other heating method we will get non-uniform heating, whereas in electrical heating we will get uniform heating. Next is having higher efficiency of utilizations. It means it have longer life. We can use in any atmosphere. And the last one is having cheap furnace. Hence the cost of the heating will reduce. It having mobility of job. It means we can move the object at any place. Let's see what are the method to transfer the heat. The first one is conduction. This phenomenon take place in the solid, liquid as well as in gas. This phenomenon occur in the solid component. So conduction is a process by which heat energy is transmitted, hence through collision between neighbor atoms of molecules. It means if we heat the one molecules, then the nearest molecules of the first molecule will get heat from the first one. So the heat will transfer from first to second, second to third in sequence. In this heating, molecule will not change its place. Next one is convection. So this phenomenon take place in the liquid and gas. In this heating, Heat is transferred due to actual motion of molecule. This phenomenon generally occurred in the liquid. If we heat some particles of the liquid, then liquid will change its plates due to convection principle. And the last one is radiation, and this phenomenon is generally occurred in the air or gas. It having confined surface, and the radiant energy will emitted or absorbed is dependent on the nature of the surface. Let's see various questions for assignment. The first one is explain electrical heating. Second is explain use of domestic as well as industrial electrical heating. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJP Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.